Hello everyone. Today we are here at the Trident Hyundai showroom located on the Sankey Road in Bangalore, and along with us we have Mr. Chetan Kumar, who is the manager of sales for Trident Hyundai. Sir will explain us about the Grand i10 Neos Turbo in detail. So over to you, sir.
Namaste. Hello everyone. I'm Chetan here. Let me introduce you to the Grand i10 Neos, which is coming up with a turbocharged engine, which has got a turbo badging in the front logo of the car, and also it has got a beautiful power as well as the torque delivery. You can notice it has a power output of 100 PS and 17.4 kg of torque. And also there are a few exciting things in this car, not only the front turbo badging. Let me take you through the inside interiors also. Please have a look at the interiors. To give a sporty sense of feel, it has been introduced with a complete black interiors, and it has got red inserts in the interiors. And also you can notice near the seat patterns there is a red piping, and also on the car, if you see the stitching near the gear knob, even there also it is of a black and red. And let me show you a few unique things in this Grand i10 Neos. The car which you are looking at is a sports variant in turbo. This is a dual tone, wherein you can look out there is a roof completely of a black painted from the factory finish, and also it has got a black finishing on the mirrors. And in the wheels, if you see, it comes with the 15 inches tires, which gives you a better grip whenever you are at a highways driving. And also it is of a pattern of a diamond cut. You can notice there is a dual tone combination. And there is a uniqueness in this Grand i10 is the front fog lamp, which is of a projector fog lamp, which gives you a better illumination whenever you are driving in a highways as well as the potholes, city pothole. And let me also get you through the few unique things. One is the front near the fog lamp there is a air curtains, which will allow the vehicle to cut the air and get you the directional stability. Also it enhances the vehicle's fuel efficiency. And it comes with a wraparound headlamps, which has got a projector headlights, which is of a bifunction projector. Both your high beam, low beam, both works in the same headlights. And also if you see since it's a Grand i10 Neos, it has got a G-i10 badging near the C pillar. And also to make the car stand out of the crowd, we have introduced the shark fin antenna. And since it's an hatchback, it gives you a bold appeal because of the roof rails, which is integrated from the factory. There are a few unique things if you look out at the rear portion of the car. Let me go through in details. One is the rear tail lamp, which has got an emergency stop signal. Whenever at the given point of time when you make a panic braking, the emergency stop signals will give you flashlights, so that a person comes behind your car can make out that you made a sudden braking. And also if you see on the Grand i10, the rear bumpers, it has got a dual tone combination, body color as well as black. This gives you the contrast in the car. And the great detailing lines, if you see on the rear, you can see this connectivity of the lines. And excellent boot space for your traveling on highways with the family trips, 265 liters. Below that there is a spare wheel, jack and a toolkit. And also let us look at the rear seating portion in the car. We offer you a very good leg room. You can see here for a rear passenger it offers a very good leg room as well as a good thigh supports. And also for the practicality, for a rear passenger we have introduced the rear AC vents. Whenever you are doing a traveling, so that you no need to ask the front driver or the co-passenger to turn on the AC, more speed, low speed. Wherever you want, you can turn on the AC in the rear AC vents. And also one more thing, there is a charging outlet near the rear AC vent. And the real practicalities, you can see there is a bottle holders even on the rear doors. And also ample headroom, as well as you can see there is a good shoulder space. And 3 people can be seated comfortably in the car, because this is a practicality car has been designed for our Indian customers. Let us also have a look at a few unique things which is very useful on the front near the dashboard. It comes with a storage space here on the passenger seats. Whenever you can keep it your gadgets, whenever you are reading your books, you can keep that. And one more unique thing is it comes with a cooled glove box here, which has got a AC supplied here in the glove box compartment, and it has a wireless charger, which is unique in the segment. First time in the segment we offer you the wireless charging feature. And also in the AC there is a eco coating, so whenever you turn on the AC, it will never allow the impurities, bacteria to travel in the inside cabin, because it cuts off in the evaporator itself. And the big dial which is there in the front for the driver, it is a digital display which shows your trip A, trip B, distance to empty, speed of the car, engine running time. Let us have a look at the engine compartment. The warranty of the car, we provide you the variable warranty. This is the first time in the industry wherein the user can choose based on your usage. He can choose. If he is using high, he can go for a 3 years 1 lakh kilometer. If it is a moderate, he can go for 4 years 40,000 kilometers, 4 years 50,000 kilometers. If it is too low, he can go for a 5 years 40,000 kilometers. Based on his usage, he can choose. This is absolutely a part of a package. There is no extra on the warranty part on the engine. Now let's look at the car's practicalities, fuel efficiency of the car. It is a turbocharged engine. If you look out at the fuel efficiency on the practical city condition, it delivers you 12 to 13 kilometers. And if you see on a highways, it delivers you 17 to 19 kilometers based on the driving conditions. Namaste. Thank you.
It was very kind of you, sir, and thank you once again for explaining us in detail about the Grand i10 Neos. One thing that I would like to tell the viewers is that if you are staying in Bangalore and want to buy the Grand i10 Neos or any other Hyundai car, then definitely check out the Trident Hyundai showroom located on the Sankey Road, and do contact Mr. Chetan sir so that you can get the maximum discount compared to any other dealer. Another major reason for recommending Mr. Chetan sir to book your car is that he has secured second place in 2019 national level sales skill competition, and this evidently shows us that the amount of knowledge that he has towards the Hyundai cars. All of these combined with his customer friendly relationship, you can be rest assured that you can get the best car buying experience compared to any other Hyundai dealer. The contact details are right in the description box below. And speaking about the vehicle, the build quality is excellent compared to any other competition, and I would definitely suggest you to go ahead and check out the Grand i10 Neos. The reason for this is that it gets the 1 liter turbo petrol engine that is very punchy and is not available with any other competition. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.